Welcome. My name is Abid Ali Jafar Sheikh. I am assistant professor at Paradibai Genba Music College in Waguli. Today we are going to see some basic features of cascade style sheets. So first we will see the CSS border property. This defines the border for a HTML element. Here you can see P is a paragraph, and for the paragraph in CSS we have applied the border property 2 pixel solid, and color of the border is a power blue. We can check this. Here is a example. In this example we have one heading. This is heading paragraph, paragraph, paragraph. So we can apply the border property. For this we require inside the head we can write style, and we can provide to the paragraph a border. So we write paragraph in the curly bracket border, and border we can 2 pixel solid light blue. Now save this as a demo.html. Save. We'll run this. Demo.html. Open. Here you can see this is heading paragraph, paragraph, paragraph. Here we can write a 3 pixel, 5 pixel. You can see how it changes. This way it changes the border size. We can color red, change the color to the red. This is how this works. Now next property is a padding. CSS padding property defines padding or space between text and border. Here you can see in our example we can apply padding 20 pixel. We can apply padding of a 20 pixel. Here you can see text and border. The padding is applied between text and border. You can inspect this element. Here this is paragraph. You can click on this, and CSS side you can check this. Padding 20 pixel is applied. Border, here you can see here padding of 20 pixel. And border 5 pixel strong, border 5 pixel solid. Here if I change 2 pixel, save, reload. Again you can check this inspect element. Right click on element, inspect element. You can check padding, inspect element. Here padding of 20 pixel, border of 2 pixel. Next is a margin. Margin property defines space outside the border. Margin property defines the space outside the border. So for example here we like to padding 20 pixel and margin of about 10 pixel. Now here you can outside the border, inspect the element. Here this element we have padding of a 20 pixel, 2 pixel border, and outside the border we have 10 pixel of a margin. This way how this works. Next, how we can apply CSS property to the HTML element. There are three ways we can apply CSS property to the HTML element: using name, element name. Second is using ID attribute of a HTML element, and third, class attribute of a HTML element. Now consider this first, CSS element. In CSS, apply to the element, direct element name is used. Here you can see that we have three paragraphs. Every paragraph, first paragraph, every paragraph operated by the style. Second paragraph, me too and me. Paragraph property, text alignment center, color red. We can check this. This is paragraph. We can write paragraph. Here you can see paragraph property, style apply to the paragraph property. Every paragraph apply with the same property. Every apply with the same property. Suppose I want to align text center, color red. Suppose I want to apply align text align, sorry, text align center, text align center, color red, color red. All the text goes to the center. So all the attributes, all the elements affected with this style. Now suppose second property, ID selector. ID is a attribute used for the HTML element. It is a unique attribute within the page. So we can apply CSS property to this ID attribute using hash, followed by the ID element. Here you can see that this is paragraph, two paragraphs there. First is ID para 1, hello world, and second is this paragraph is not affected by the style. So we can check this. This is paragraph, suppose 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. So if applied to property, paragraph 1, reload, paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Suppose if I write here ID is equal to para 1, and if I write instead of this hash para 1 and run it, so only paragraph 1 is affected, paragraph 2, paragraph 3 is not affected. Only paragraph 1 is affected if we use an attribute. Paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 is not affected. Next, class attribute. The CSS can be applied to the class attribute using dot character. Here for the ID attribute you can use a hash character, and for the class attribute you can use the dot attribute. Here we have h1 class is equal to center, paragraph class is equal to center. We can apply these properties using class attribute. Check this. These two properties, Ctrl X, I will apply to the class attribute. Here class is equal to c1, so dot c1 text align center color red. You can check this. This is heading align center. This is, we have removed this property, so only heading goes to the center. Suppose I want to also apply to this paragraph, so what I can do class is equal to again c1. If I make it this, then this paragraph also goes to the center like this. Thank you.